to see you all. Yes, and this is a great. Hello, the voice is not clear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Voice is clear.
The voice is okay, but I cannot hear. Okay, my voice is disturbance. Yes, so today it's a privilege that I am with you, and the thing is, most of the time we talk face to face, but during this pandemic, everybody started learning something new, and we teachers also have compelled ourselves to be online. Yes, it is a very difficult time, and with my children also, it's so difficult that the students are with us not face to face but online, but they are learning. And I am really thankful, my dear parents, that you are so supportive, that you always support your kids to attend the online classes. I am every time like on and off, I am into all the classes and observing that students slowly and gradually they are putting themselves into this classes, and now they adapt this because it always takes time to adapt new things. Initially, when I was in the classes, I always observe that students they don't like the online classes. They have the fun. They are thinking that this is a time pass, and this is the duration is very small. So what they do, they take these online classes as a fun. But now, after a period of time, like 6 months pass, 7 months pass, 8 months pass, now they got to know that this is the only method where I have to study right now. I'm talking right now, right? And even my dear parents also, they also understood that this is the only platform where at least the students keep themselves busy with the teachers, with their homework, with their worksheets, and lot many things, right? See, this is this period is, I cannot say that this period is good, but I will always say that the learning happens during this period, है ना? क्योंकि हम और आप, हमने कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि हम इस तरह से मिलेंगे. हम हमेशा आपके साथ फेस टू फेस मिल रहे हैं, बच्चों के साथ फेस टू फेस मिलते हैं, उनकी डिफिकल्टी फेस टू फेस सॉल्व करते हैं. पर इस पेंडेमिक ने सचमुच हमको सबको हिला के रख दिया, और हम मजबूर हो गए कि हम सब इसका साथ ले और बच्चों को आगे बढ़ाए, क्योंकि बच्चों को पढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी हमारी है और हम वो पूरी तरह से निभा रहे हैं. हमारी टीचर्स ने जिस तरह से ये टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट की है, रियली आई अप्रिशिएट देम फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ द हार्ट. कुछ टीचर्स ऐसे हैं जिनको टेक्नोलॉजी कभी भी आई नहीं है, जिनको ऑनलाइन क्लास क्या है, राइट, वर्चुअल थिंग्स कैसे प्रेजेंट की जाती है, कैसे पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंट की जाती है, वो भी नहीं आती थी. पर ये सब कुछ वो सीख गए बच्चों के लिए, क्योंकि पढ़ाई एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है. एजुकेशन इज मेयर नेसेसरी राइट नाउ टू गिव, बिकॉज बच्चे अभी जो भी कर रहे हैं, सी उनको बहुत सारी चीज मिल रही है. आप ये भी देखते हैं कि गूगल बहुत सारी चीजें सिखा देता है बच्चों को, राइट? बच्चे उसमें से सब कुछ सीख रहे हैं, necessary things, unnecessary things, always they try to adapt. But being a teacher, being you as a parent, you always are there with them to guide them for doing right things at a right time. And I am also saying that please encourage dear little ones for doing small things. See, when they are doing small things, they are very happy, right? So give that happiness to them. Today, Bindal ma'am, she called me that, madam, please come, so that our weekly, we are celebrating our fitness, Fit India program through CBSE, right? This is a program which we are going to conduct. And this, from last 4-5 days, the teachers are very well, very nicely, they arranged these things, seminars, programs. Students are into the fitness, right? So today the topic is given ki, madam, please come and just talk with my parents for the nutrition and diet for post pandemic, right? I am aware that you all are aware that during this pandemic, the health is very important thing, right? If physical health and mental health, when we talk of both of them, it's very important. For physical fitness, right? The students, though they are sitting at home, this is the request to the even the parents also, that spend time with the students for doing meditation for at least 15 minutes. I know it's a difficult time. The students cannot sit 15 minutes at a stretch to concentrate. But this is a golden time that the student should sit, think, and reflect. This is the best time when you will do meditation, and try to do meditation along with the kids, right? It will help. Second important thing is yoga. It also keeps our body fit, your mind fit, right? You will become energetic, and this will again will run the students to go further ahead. So make the students to do yogasans, right? Small yogasan. I think my Arvind sir and all my team, they are very much into what small activities they are doing. And most of the parents also, I can see the enthusiastic parents also, they are doing constantly yoga also, right? They are doing a lot of exercise also. I know you cannot go into the gym, you cannot even few time, you cannot walk also outside, right? That is also banned because of the curfew, and you cannot go. So the best part is be at home, right? And do as much as exercise, right? So that your body will remain good. So if your body is good, you can do whatever you want. है ना, जान है तो जहान है, ये बात तो सही है ना, कि अगर हम फिट है, अगर हम ठीक है, तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी. तो सबसे पहले तो बच्चों के साथ हमको ये करना है कि हमारी फिटनेस के ऊपर ध्यान देना है. अगर मैं डाइट की बात करूं, तो बच्चों को डाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. हम ये सोचते हैं बच्चों को हम कुछ भी दे दे, खा ले. बच्चे ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम देखते हैं कि जब मम्मियां कुछ भी बनाती है तो खा लो, ये खा लो, इतना खा लो, इतना खा लो. पर वो बच्चा कितना खा सकता है? सी, ट्राई टू सी, इफ यू आर गिविंग आलमंड्स, ड्राई फ्रूट्स ऑल्सो, मेक श्योर दैट इट शुड बी इन अ प्रॉपर अमाउंट. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने 2-3 बॉल दे दिए उनको, खा लो आज खत्म. This is not required at all, not required, because it should be consumed in a proper way, right? Same thing, try to give lot of fruits and vegetables to the students. This period of time, boiled vegetables, soup बनाइए vegetable का, right? वो अगर आप देते हो तो बच्चों को healthy diet भी मिलता है, और बच्चे का पेट भी भरेगा. अगर हम उसको बच्चे को ये कर रहे हैं कि हम खुद भी फ्राइड खा रहे हैं और बच्चों को भी फ्राइड खिलाने के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो बच्चा आज नहीं तो कल वो फ्राइड के लिए ही मांगेगा. आप देखते होंगे कि बच्चे वो इसका पैकेट्स, फूड पैकेट्स, दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ सीइंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड ऑल. दे आर फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग द वेफर्स एंड ऑल एवरी टाइम, नाउ एंड देन, है ना. रेफल्स और छोटे छोटे पता नहीं क्या क्या नाम होते हैं उनके, cheese balls and whatever. So all these things, they keep on eating it, and that is very unhealthy. Usme jo salt hai, that is not proper. So try to see that sugar and salt to be taken in a moderate way. That from the very young age, the children should know. ऐसा नहीं कि हम उसको excessive sugar दे रहे हैं, excessive उसको नमक दे रहे हैं, right? The junk food, right? I am seeing this during this pandemic also, though the parents are asking the junk food and they are ordering, है ना. आप ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर रहे हो, पिज्जा ऑर्डर कर रहे हो, ये ऑर्डर कर रहे हो. I am not denying it that you don't eat, but let us put it in a priority that ये प्रायोरिटी नहीं है, पिज्जा हमारी प्रायोरिटी नहीं है, हमारा फूड नहीं है, राइट? तो हमको अगर पिज्जा बच्चों को खिलाना है, तो पिज्जा खिलाने के लिए भी एक मेथड है, राइट? आप बहुत प्यारी सी आप भाकरी बना सकते हो, उसके ऊपर आप कुछ कोटिंग कर सकते हो, अलग अलग गार्निशिंग कर सकते हो, बट एंड ट्राई टू मेक द चाइल्ड अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज द हेल्दी फूड, नॉट द पिज्जा वन, जो पिज्जा, जो फ्रोजन फूड है, वो कितने दिनों से सबवे में और इसमें चल रहा है, आप बताइए। पिज्जा हट में आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो हमको फ्रेश देते हैं? बिल्कुल नहीं। दैट इज अ फ्रोजन फूड विच इज नॉट एट ऑल हेल्दी, राइट? जो मैदा है वो हमको बिल्कुल भी सूट नहीं करता है, पर फिर भी हम हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं कि हम मैदा से बनाई हुई चीजें खाएं, है ना, व्हाइट फ्लोर। इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. So just try to cut short all this thing, right? Eat healthy food. हमारा जो घर का खाना है, अब तो मुझे लगता है सारी मम्मियां, right? Even I am appreciating daddies also, right? They are also helping mothers because they are 24/7 at home previously, right? 2 महीने तो ऐसे थे कि जहां पे कोई हिल नहीं सक रहा था घर से. तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं कि डैडी भी सीख गए अब तो उनको भी पता चल गया है कि फूड की वैल्यू क्या है, घर के लक्ष्मी की क्या वैल्यू है, इन द सेंस की वाइफ्स की क्या वैल्यू है, और वो कितना काम कर रही है बच्चों को खिला के, बच्चों को न्यूट्रिशियस फूड दिला के, राइट? सो दिस इज अगेन अ ग्रेट थिंग दैट एवरीबडी इज टुगेदर, right? At home also they are learning, they are happily doing activity, they are eating food together, they are practicing yogasan together, exercising together, work together, and it will really makes a difference. ये जो हमारा साथ है, right? ये बच्चों को कब मिलेगा? कितने साल के बाद ऐसे बच्चों को लगा होगा कि मेरे मम्मी डैडी मेरे साथ है, मेरी मम्मी डैडी ने मुझे ये खाने पे ये ध्यान दिया है. So just take and grab an opportunity and give as much as you can, right? प्रॉपर डाइट प्लानिंग बच्चों को दे दीजिए. डे वन से आप सोच लीजिए कि संडे है तो मैं संडे को 1 वीक का डाइट प्लान बना देती हूँ बच्चों के लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, राइट? और वो प्लान फॉलो कीजिए. उससे मुझे पता है आपको लगेगा कि मैडम बहुत बोरिंग बातें कर रही है, कि ये डाइट तो हम फॉलो नहीं कर सकते, बट इट विल मेक एन हैबिट when you will do things religiously, right? And for a longer period of time, doing it concentrately, it will become an habit to you, right? So जो भी आप चीज कर रहे हैं, आप देखिए आप बच्चों को क्या दे सकते हो. आप अगर फिट है, आप अगर हेल्दी है, तो बच्चे को हेल्दी रख सकते हो. ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक अगर आप देखा जाए तो मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि अपने बच्चों को शायद बहुत सारी, अपने डॉक्टर ने भी आपको एडवाइस दिया होगा कि you take vitamin C, vitamin A. So instead of taking the tablets and everything, make sure that you take the lemon squash without salt and sugar, right? Squeeze lemon to salads and everything and eat. तो ये सब छोटी छोटी जो बातें हैं ना, वो बहुत आपको मान्य रखेगी. आपको शायद, if you belong to Gujarati family, everybody, most of the parents, I can see that they understand Gujarati very well and they are Gujarati. So during this winter season, you might have started eating the khajur, है ना? खजूर आप खा रहे हो, फिर सूंठ and ganthoda. This is the main ingredients of Gujarati family, where you need to eat this every day without fail. A pinch of soot and pinch of ganthoda powder, right? That is very important. That is made by the ginger, right? So that is very, very important that you should eat, right? You should take the nas every day. If you are having COVID or not having COVID, not an issue, but at least take care of yourself so that nothing will harm you. Eat right kind of food. Before 7, you wind up your things so that you will have 3 hours with you while you are sleeping, right? If you will eat between 7 to 8, then it's the best time. So allow the students to eat the dinner between 7 to 7:30, right? I hope everybody are fine and you all might be waiting to open the school, right? I too am eagerly waiting for my kids to come into the school and enjoy the school life, because nothing is great than the school life. है ना बच्चों? आप मिस कर रहे हो ना स्कूल को, टीचर्स को, अपने फ्रेंड्स को, है ना? टिफिन शेयर करना, सब कुछ, all the things you might be missing, right? So I hope you all are fine. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay connected with the teachers, right? And eat right kind of food. Listen your parents properly, what they are saying, right? Initially, you will not like it, you will not love it, but gradually you will know that what is the importance of food, what is the importance of eating nutritive food and forming a good sleeping pattern, right? Is it fine with you? Yes? Everybody okay? So see you again. Yes, thank you, my dear parents. Right? Anything you want to say, you want to talk with me, please. Bindal madam,
Yes, ma'am.
allow them so that they can talk with me one by one.
Yes,
If any problem
yes, ma'am.
or
Yes.
if you want to share anything with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
Just a minute, ma'am. Yes, parents, you ask some questions, no problem. अपने आप को unmute करके आप पूछ सकते हो, मैम से बात कर सकते हो. Any queries, any questions about fitness and anything else? No problem. You ask ma'am. मैम आपके माइक्रोफोन को ऑन कर देना मैम. Microphone.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anything you want to ask, please.
Yes, parents can also share with ma'am your suggestions and anything else. No problem.
Anything you want, because right time, see, learning is the best part, whether you and me, right? If you are saying something and if it's good, I'm going to adopt this. I'm going to implement into with your students, right?
Yes, we
Yes.
have 5 minutes. So please, I request to all parents, you talk with ma'am.
If anything is there, you can share.
Yes.
Otherwise, Bindal ma'am, you can go ahead with your whatever your
Yes.
right now your topic is going, right?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And today you give really good.
I think
Shanvi's papa. Yes, sir. Anything else? You talk with ma'am, yeah, talk with us. Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम.
Morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Yes.
बस कंप्लेन कोई है नहीं सानवी की, और जो ऑनलाइन क्लास चल रहा है वो तरीके से कंप्लीट करती है, पर मिसिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा होता है, जो आवाज की प्रॉब्लम आती है अधिक